this was over.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Monticello, or 10 miles north of Monroe, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Windsor, Marshall, DeForest, Cottage Grove, Belleville, Deerfield, New Glarus, Shorewood Hills, and Brooklyn. People attending Bradfest in Madison should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following location: Wisconsin State Capitol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south central and southeastern Wisconsin.